Hello and welcome. My name is Anna. Today, at the Mindful Start, we will be creating something truly special, a safe harbor within your own mind. This is a guided visualization to help you build a detailed, multi-sensory inner sanctuary that you can retreat to anytime you feel anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed. This is your personal place of absolute peace. Please find a position where you can feel completely comfortable and secure, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, settling breaths. With each exhale, imagine you're releasing a layer of tension, allowing your body to feel heavier and more relaxed. You are safe in this moment. Now, I invite you to imagine yourself standing for a beautiful, magical doorway. This door can look however you wish. Know that on the other side of this door lies your own private, perfect, safe place. When you are ready, you see yourself opening the door and stepping through. You find yourself in the most peaceful and beautiful place you can possibly imagine. This is your place. It was created just for you. Let's build this place together, using all of your senses. First, what do you see? Are you on a quiet, sun-drenched beach? In a lush, mossy forest? In a cozy, fire-lit cabin? Look around. Notice the colors, the light, the shapes. Fill in all the visual details that make this place feel perfectly safe and beautiful to you. Now, what do you hear in your safe place? Is it the gentle sound of waves lapping the shore? The sound of birdsong and rustling leaves? The crackle of a warm fire? Or is it a profound, peaceful silence? Listen to the soundscape of your sanctuary. Next, what do you smell in your safe place? Is it the fresh, salty scent of the ocean? The earthy fragrance of the forest floor? The smell of old books and wood smoke? The sweet scent of your favorite flower? Breathe in the unique aroma of your safe place. What can you feel? Can you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin? A soft, gentle breeze? The feeling of soft sand or cool moss beneath your feet? The comfort of a soft armchair? Connect with the physical sensations of being here. Finally, what can you taste? Perhaps there is a taste of fresh, clean air. Or maybe there is a cup of your favorite soothing tea waiting for you here. Take a few minutes now to simply be in this place. Explore it. Enjoy it. This is your sanctuary. In this place, you are completely safe. Nothing and no one can harm you here. You can be completely and authentically yourself. There are no demands, no expectations. As you rest in this space, feel a profound sense of peace and relaxation washing over you. Feel your nervous system calming down. Feel your mind becoming still. Soak up this feeling of absolute safety and contentment. This is your inner resource. Know that this safe place is a part of you. It exists within your own mind and heart. You can return here anytime you need to. In a moment of stress at work, you can take a single breath and mentally step through that doorway for just a moment to reconnect with this peace. Before we leave, I invite you to find a small object in your safe place to take back with you as a reminder. It could be a smooth stone, a beautiful seashell, a colorful leaf. Imagine picking it up and holding it in your hand, feeling its texture and its calming energy. Now, it's time to return. You walk back towards the magical doorway, feeling peaceful and refreshed. You step back through, gently closing the door behind you, knowing you can open it again whenever you wish. Bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the weight of your body, the air on your skin. Feel the imaginary object, your reminder, resting in your hand. Take a deep, grounding breath. Slowly begin to reawaken your body with gentle movements. When you are ready, you can open your eyes. May you carry the peace of your inner sanctuary with you. Thank you for your practice.